Non-GMO. So if you think back to the phosphorylated and methylated slide and why we would actually need B vitamins, there's a little line at the bottom that said, well, we actually have to use all of our resources, enzymes, ATP, enzymes, and substrates to be able to process things. And the majority of the fatty acids that we're using that are available out on the market, a little over 95% of them are based from soy. And soy is a GMO crop. And when we dive into the GMOs and our bodies can't process them, it's going to leave some additional substances that are hanging on. And we want to make sure that we're not actually providing you with any of those, so your body can actually use everything that it needs to. There's a little to no waste, and then you can move forward. So we use sunflowers because we can actually trace them. We know that they're non-GMO from point A to point B, point C, all the way through to our production. And so that we can make sure that we can give you the best quality fatty acids and phospholipids. We need these fatty acids and phospholipids to help build out the outside of the cells. And so we're using phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylinositol, and some plant-based fatty acids. And we're doing this because our cells need them to help regulate the nutrients that are coming in and out of the cell walls. And so when you look at a lot of nutrient powders and you look at a lot of nutrient shakes, you don't find a lot of phospholipids. And one of the things that you don't find is phosphatidylcholine. Part of the reason is because it's expensive. But the other thing is that, folks aren't really looking for phospholipids. Practitioners are looking for phospholipids. And we know that the phosphatidylcholine can also help with not only cell production, but it also helps with liver health. And so we're actually using the phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylinositol, and then when we look at our essential fatty acids, we're actually using sunflower-based lecithin, which is critical for supporting not only liver support and helping to support a fatty liver and some of that detox, but it's for emulsifying a fatty liver, but it's also critical for supporting new healthy cells and brain function. And when we break things down, we know that a third of the brain is comprised of lecithin in the dry weight. So if we're giving that to you in a non-GMO format, you're going to be able to absorb all of that without anything extra that's hanging out that you'll have to detox at a later date.